While using your computer, you might encounter this error message on your screen. Now, while you can still keep using your computer without any problem, there are a few quick ways to get rid of the error. First up, verify your Microsoft account. To check it, launch Windows Settings, go to Accounts, click Your Info, and Windows might display the Verify Your Identity to Sync Passwords Across Your Devices message. Now you have to click the Verify option, and then go to the on-screen instructions. Now if you've already verified your Microsoft account, try to reconnect it. Additionally, try turning off shared experiences. To do that, open Settings, click Apps, select Apps and Features, expand Share Across Experiences menu, and select Off. Once done, restart your computer and check if the problem is now fixed. For your last resort, what you can try to do is create a new account. For you to do this, just open Windows Settings, click Accounts, go to Family and Other Users, click on Add Account, then set up the credentials for new account. So those are the following fixes if you're having this Windows error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.